Hello, welcome viewers of Peter Getao WK. And we say in this channel, we put various issues on the table, we analyze one by one, and finally we get the solution. I want to thank you guys because of the response that I got concerning insurance tips. Today, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to highlight uh, things you should do after a car accident here in Kenya. Yes, so we may say that car accident is not in our hands, but driving safely may help us to avoid many issues and many things. So we should try as much as possible to be careful in our roads to avoid accidents. But sometimes, without our intention, sometimes accident happens. We know that. And when an accident have happened, we know that it's a very bad occurrence, and you should do something to avoid it. But if it happens, and God forbid, it is always good to take right step so that the situation may not turn to be worse. And also you can help out so that insurance can be able to pay you, especially if you had a comprehensive insurance cover. Today I'm going to highlight 6 things that you are supposed to do if you have an accident, because sometimes accident happens even without intention. Actually, accident does not happen with intention. If it happens with intention, then that is not an accident, that is something else. So one thing that you should do in case of an accident, and in this case we are talking about car accident or motor vehicle accident. One of thing that you should do, you should not move or run off after any car mishap. You should just stay there. You should not run away. You should not move. You should just wait there. We have seen many people trying to run away when there is an accident, especially if they are the one on the wrong side. You should not do that. Whether it is a minor mishap or it could be a serious accident, never leave the scene of accident, because failing to do so, you are actually doing an offense. You are committing an offense under the Road Traffic Act. So make sure your car engine is switched off, and then turn your hazard lights on to alert other road users to your presence. The second thing that you do, you should call the police. This is the second step they should follow. You should call the police. If there is no serious injuries, it is legally required to call the cops so that they can be able to analyze the situation. And in case you want compensation from the insurance company, they are going to base on the report that they are going to receive from the cops or from the police. So it is always good you call the police so that they can come and they can be able to analyze the situation, and they can also know if there is any physical injury, if there is death, or if there is damage of property. It is always good to ensure that you have informed the police so that you can also get an abstract, because when you are going to claim, there is somewhere that you are supposed to provide an abstract. Another thing is that, the third step, you should exchange the information. Yeah, you should collect the information. This is the basic information from the third party involved in the accident. So this is the other party that has been involved in the accident, that is third party. And one of the most important information that you should get the name, contact number, addresses, and also it is important to get the driver's license number. Also get the number plate Those are some of the basic information you should get from the third party, the other person that you have been involved in an accident with. Another important thing is that that is for the next step, number 4. It is always good you document the incident, and I'm saying here you should take an accurate record of whatever happened at the time of an accident. Some of the most important information to get, you should get the name and badge number of the cop or the responding officer of the police. It's also good to get to take pictures. It's also you can write names of all the parties involved. Ensure that your documentation are put in order. Ensure you have documented the important details in the scene of accident. You have written the number plates. You have also noted the insurance company of the other party involved. And then after you have done that, the documentation is okay, you should contact your insurer. That is your insurance company. If you used an agent, it is always good you inform your agent or your broker, or if you just went there direct, you got your policy direct, it is always good you notify the insurance company immediately, within 24 hours, as soon as possible, with immediate effect. Please ensure that you have informed the insurance company promptly after the accident have happened, and also tell them the whole situation. And don't try to cheat. Some people try to lie, but they forget that insurance company, they have some people called investigators. If you are not the one who was driving in time of that accident, please document the information as it is supposed to be, because they are going to investigate. Before a claim is paid, some investigation is done to ensure that you are not cheating and to ensure that only the genuine claims are settled. Once you have contacted your insurer or your insurance company, they are going to assess. They have assessors. They are going to assess the situation. They are also going to get evaluation reports, and then they are going to move to the next step. That is the last step. That is settlement of your insurance claim. Once the insurance company have investigated and they have ensured everything is in order, then you are going to get compensated. You are going to be compensated. So it is always important to confirm that you have followed all those procedures, because failure to observe one of them, your compensation may be denied. Are we together? You may be denied the settlement of your claim. Those are some of the important things that you should note when you are involved in an accident. So continue to subscribe so that you can be able to get a notification anytime that we have an upload of a video or anytime that you are live. Thank you because of your support. Subscribe and share this to your friends. Thank you.